Do your houseplants look like this, or even this? Or you killed them again?
Oh no, not again.
Let me show you everything you need to never kill a houseplant again. Houseplants aren't just decor. They're your leafy roommates. They transform dull spaces into lush, welcoming retreats, clean the air, and pump out fresh oxygen. Plus, caring for them is a soothing, rewarding hobby. Houseplants bring life and fresh vibes to your home, but caring for them can feel tricky. Don't worry, I've got you. In this video, we'll cover the 4 basics of houseplant care: substrate, light, watering, and fertilizer. Let's dive in. Let's talk substrate, the secret sauce for happy roots. Most houseplants thrive in a well-draining mix, like equal parts potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark. It keeps soil light, airy, and just moist enough. Want to upgrade? Try 25% orchid soil, 25% perlite, 25% coco coir, 15% worm castings, and 10% activated charcoal. It's the VIP treatment for your plants. And remember, no garden soil. It's too heavy and smothers roots. Keep it light, and your plants will love you for it. Bonus tip: add a little layer of drainage like pine bark at the bottom of the pot to help with overwatering. Overwatering is the #1 killer of houseplants. Always check the soil before you water. If the upper soil feels dry, it's time to water. Use pots with drainage holes so excess water can escape, or use a drainage layer. It's usually better to water in 2 steps if you are not sure if you already watered enough. And don't forget the humidity. Tropical plants love it. You can mist them, use a pebble tray, or place a small humidifier nearby. Pro tip: grouping plants together creates a mini jungle effect and naturally raises humidity. Next up, light. Most plants, like pothos and philodendrons, prefer bright, indirect light. Cacti and succulents thrive in direct sunlight, perfect for a sunny windowsill. No natural light? Full-spectrum grow lights work well. Place them 30 to 45 centimeters above your plants and run them for 12 to 16 hours daily. Use a lux meter to match light levels to your plant's needs. Even sun lovers can get too much light, so balance is key. Let's talk feeding and repotting. Especially during spring and summer, houseplants need nutrients. For green plants, use a nitrogen-rich fertilizer, like 10-5-5 NPK ratio, diluted to half strength. Flowering plants may prefer something like 5-5-10 ratio. Check the packaging for instructions. Repot roughly every 1 to 2 years when roots outgrow the pot or the soil gets compacted. Fresh soil gives a nutrient boost. And remember, too much fertilizer can harm roots, so less is more. I hope these tips help your plants thrive and look their best. If you're interested in learning about propagation, I've got some great tutorials on my channel. Be sure to check them out. Thanks for watching and happy planting!